Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I can't stop. Part 3 now. I contoured this twice and made two different colors. So now we're going to take the original and we're going to contour twice. So I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 2 steps to the outside and point. I lowered the point. I don't think it'll go 1.5. See, it's just too big. No, 0.15. That's going to work. So now what we need to do is take it all, go up to Object and break the contour apart. Now 2 of these are probably going to be grouped together. So I have to go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And so this is the thinnest one. We're going to make it yellow, take away the outline. This one is the next one. Let's make it green, take away the outline. Whoop. And then this one, let's go, let's just go red, take away the outline. Now, I'm going to move it over and I don't know which one's what, but we can still see the yellow. And now if we move this green, I'm going to have to put one of them in front or back. No, it actually worked. I did it in the right order. So that's about it. That's probably as much as you're going to be allowed to do, especially in this side. I could have made it quite a bit bigger, but you know, that doesn't really matter because that's going to, when you reduce it, it's going to have those lines. That's really pretty awesome. Anyway, just gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.